Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for GameStop. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on daily time frame, we've had this massive pump from the lows of 2020 to the highs of January 2021 around $480. Again, starting from around $2.61. That's why I'm looking at it on logarithmic scale. We just can't do anything with the arithmetic scale here. Overall count was something like this, in which we had a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 multiple ways to get 5-way structure in here into the wave 1. So that's why I'm labeling it as. At the moment, I'm thinking there is a possibility of wave 2 coming down here and completing around the $39 area, in which again we would be looking at around 92% drop down from the all-time highs for this wave 2. In regards to time, it is very short compared to the previous wave structure, but again, not much makes sense in GameStop anyway, so it can be that. The other scenario is that we have this just the A wave, then we have a WXY looking for that wave B, and then we would be coming down for that wave 2 or wave B. Overall, I am still more leaning towards that wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 than the ABC structure. On logarithmic scale, we did get very close to the 0.5 already here, which would lie at $35.50 of this A wave or wave 1. But yeah, this bearish scenario is still in play for sure. Within this bearish scenario for the wave B, we would be looking again that wave Y here, in which I've labeled this as an ABC. Some kind of three-way structure here into the wave B. I'm not quite sure. I have not labeled that in as it is not clear. It could be still that we are looking for something like this for the B wave as well, so that has to be kept in mind. However, we do have this as a 5-way structure that looks pretty good and measures pretty good with no extensions, so it could be just an A wave, then 3 ways back and connecting something else here, and create a larger B wave here before heading for that C wave. But yeah, that is the bearish scenario. The more bullish one was that where we had the wave 2 down here, in which again we would have a 1 and a 2, which again we have some kind of 3-way structure into the wave 2. After that point, we would be looking at the minuet, wave 1 up here. Sub-wave structure is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 again, completing it up here. This is the same structure that we had for that previous B wave. Again, not very clear what this is. I guess we could be looking at this as some kind of a 3-way structure here, 3 waves and then 3 waves. Definitely not measurable that easily, but again, it is looking okay as a 3-way structure. And here is the 5-way that we were talking before as well about. I think we were starting to look into this on my last video, and this is the local bullish scenario, in which again we would have this as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This should be a different color, and this would get us to the sub-minuet wave 1, and then a 3-way pullback, possibly back to the same area that we've had as a support and resistance for quite some time. All these supports here, resistances, supports, support, and again backtesting resistance, consolidation, support and support now again. So definitely major area of at least an action of something. Let's take a look at what do we have here on the... It is not the point of control. We actually did hit the point of control right here with this wave 1 here, or possibly wave 1, and then we do have that volume node here where we have the start of this support and resistance area here. So that is very interesting area. Again, if we are going to be taking out these current lows that we have here, this bullish idea here of being 1 gets invalidated, but more importantly is that we have this massive insufficiency or fair value gap, whatever you want to be calling these, where we don't have lots of pullbacks like so. We just have basically a straight line going up. Of course, we do have some resistance here, as we did again get back to this area that we were talking about and then going through it again. But yeah, if we are going to be dropping down below it, then this could be dropping quite far down. Overall, if we are still looking this as the bullish scenario, we could be looking this as that some kind of three-way structure that is just heading down lower into this golden pocket area, where we would have some kind of resistance, or sorry, support here from these previous highs. Let's check out the volume still here. There is some more volume, smaller volume node here that could get our support in play here. But again, that is very far away, 20% from current prices. If I'm going to be playing this, I would be looking at this as a 5-way structure, looking to get to the 0.5 retracements here, and then stop losses below here and looking for higher prices. But yeah, that is the game plan for me at the moment. Definitely this can be something that is going to be taking something like this, a longer route downwards before heading up higher. But overall, I am quite bullish on GameStop at this very moment, as we had these two possible 5-way sequences creating this possible nested pattern. But that is just my count and my thoughts. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and please let me know what assets should I cover next. For now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.